Okay, so I just want to do a quick video on a pretty interesting electronic that I found here at a surplus store. And it's a Tag-Heppenstall moisture meter. Yeah, it's like a 1940s or 50s moisture meter. And so, yeah, I'm just going to kind of show how it works here. You see I got it plugged in over here. So yeah, so I'm going to turn on this on switch down here. And then, yeah, the first step is, well, I assume, I'm not entirely sure how this works, but you can see here it says adjust to red mark with dial on S. So I have the dial on S, and I've already adjusted it, but before, as you can see, when you change this dial, it kind of gets out of calibration. And so anyway, I assume that this is what is calibrating it. It doesn't come with instructions, but yeah, so you just want to turn this dial until it gets to that red mark on 50, and then you turn it to, so like I have it on X, and then I've connected these two probes to these two terminals here, and then I think that how it works is it just when these connect, then you can see it moves the needle up and take it away, it goes away. And so when I touch them together, obviously the needle goes up, or if I touch it on metal, then it also is making a connection, the needle goes up. Or you can see I've got this pot of water here, so if I put it both in water, then the needle should also go up. Let's see. And yep, sure enough, so it's making that connection. So yeah, so it's a pretty cool little instrument that tells you if there's water. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get it because even though it's super old, it's pretty cool. So yeah, there you go. With the Tag-Heppenstall moisture meter. So yep, there you go.